Hola, estudiantes. This is Miss Yorsha here. In today's video, I wanted to share some more vocabulary building exercises with you. So here are some words and phrases that can help you learn more vocabulary to use in your everyday life. You can use them with your friends, your family, and even teachers at school. They are words that Americans use all of the time. I hope you try to use at least one of these each week. Good luck. En este video, quiero ayudarlo a aprender más palabras para usar en su vida todos los días. Puede usar estas palabras con amigos, su familia e incluso con los maestros en la escuela. Estas son palabras que los americanos usan todo el tiempo. Espero que intente utilizar al menos uno de estos cada semana. Buena suerte. So now I'm going to share my screen with you and we will go out and start looking at each of these new words and phrases that you can use to talk to people. Okay. So how do we want to sound like an American? To tell people news. Para contar información. To tell people something. You might start by saying, guess what? Or know what? These are common ways of telling someone something new that they do not already know. So for ejemplo, if you go home after school and you have something important or interesting to tell someone at your home, you could use one of these phrases. Try it out, you'll see. Instead of saying no all of the time, when people ask you a question, or if you don't want to do something or you don't know the answer, you might consider using some of these phrases. Nah, nope, no way. These are very common ways of saying no. But if you want to show interest, para mostrar interés, you can say, you're kidding, don't tell me, cool, wow, really? I can't believe it, no way, oh super, oh great. These are all very easy ways to show someone that you are interested in what they are saying to you. And you'll notice that when you want to say no, and when you want to say and show interest, like here, the phrase no way can be used in both types of situations. Next, we have what we call conversation fillers. This just means that if you don't know what to say, or if you want to change a subject or a topic that you're talking about, or if there's silence, silencio, you can use these phrases. Anyway, so anyway, by the way, actually, meanwhile. For example, by the way, I was thinking of going for a walk in the park today. Do you want to come? That just means that we were not having a conversation about walking or the park, but I just thought of it in my head and I wanted to ask you. Okay, so all of these phrases can be used in a similar way. When you want to sympathize or show disbelief, okay, these are phrases that you would also use. I don't believe it is one phrase you might use, okay? Another phrase might be tell me about it, or oh no, what next? Oh, too bad, that's too much. So if somebody tells you a sad story, you might say, oh, too bad. If somebody tells you a story that seems loco, crazy, you might say, I don't believe it, or tell me about it. or that's too much. When you want to show annoyance, like you don't like something, something happened, you're unhappy. You might say, darn, or oh, come on, or, oh, brother, oh no, rats, for Pete's sake. This is when something happens that you're not enjoying, you don't like it. No te gusta. Instead of saying yes, we can say other words too. We don't just have to say yes. We can say for sure. We can say sure. We can say many things in place of yes and no. Yep. We can say of course, yup, fine, right, you bet, okay. When somebody at school, like a teacher, asks you if you're okay, if you heard the information that we were giving you, you can say you bet or for sure. And then we know that that means yes. So that's all I'm going to share today. I hope you all learned a little something with some new words and phrases that you can use in everyday life, at school, at home, everywhere. And before you know it, you'll sound like someone that's been living in America for many, many years. Okay, until next time.